Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Tacoma tailgate handle. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. Begin by lowering your tailgate and carefully removing the interior access panel. This usually involves unscrewing a few bolts and prying off clips. Once the panel is off, you'll see the handle mechanism. Now, locate the two connecting rods attached to the handle. These typically have plastic clips that you can rotate to release the rods. Be gentle to avoid bending them. Next, identify and unscrew the two bolts that secure the handle assembly to the tailgate. Once these are removed, the old handle should be free to be pulled out from the exterior of the tailgate. With the old handle removed, take your new tailgate handle and carefully slide it into the opening from the outside. Make sure it aligns correctly. Then, reinsert and tighten the two bolts that hold the handle in place, ensuring it's snug and secure. Finally, reattach the two connecting rods to the new handle's levers, making sure the clips snap firmly into place for proper operation. Before replacing the interior panel, test the new handle several times to ensure it opens and closes the tailgate smoothly and correctly. Once you're satisfied, reattach the interior access panel, securing all bolts and clips. This completes the replacement process. For more great tips and product recommendations, like the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below for links and other deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.